Guys, CPA marketing might be one of the friendliest side hustles to start as a complete beginner. You're not selling any products, you're not promoting anything, and all you gotta do is just implement this strategy once and then it's passive income. So let me break it down for you. There are a lot of websites that will allow you to implement this business model, but one of my personal favorites is CPA Grip, just because it offers a multitude of different offers that we can take advantage of. But I'm not gonna bore you with the sign up process because registering here is effortless. Anybody who's ever used a personal computer can do it in a matter of minutes, so let's not waste time on this. Instead, I'm gonna log into my account and I'll be back in a second. And there you have it. This is how your dashboard should look. And as you can see, we're not the first ones to use the website. People are making money as we speak, and some of these guys have generated 5 or 6 figures. But that didn't come easy, let me tell you. As you can spot, this user generated over 63,000 leads in order to receive that amount of money, which is quite impressive if you ask me. But let's just take it one step at a time. Baby steps. What you want to do right now is head over to the offer tools section and then select my offers, because this is our gold mine. This is just a dedicated section of the website where you can explore all of the different available offers. And here's how it works. Take a look at this one right here. It's a perfect example. Enter for a $100 Walmart gift card. Now, we're not interested in that. We're not gonna take part in any giveaways because realistically speaking, we're never gonna win them. And so we don't wanna count on our luck here. We wanna implement a passive stream of income that is sustainable. So we're not just gonna take our chances. However, this is an insanely profitable opportunity if you take advantage of it correctly. Here's the thing, we are not the ones who are gonna enter the giveaway, but we are going to redirect other people to this website so they can enter in their email address and their details, and then we can get a payout of $1.3 for every new user, every qualified lead. Just imagine that for a second. One single person that we need to drive to this website, all they gotta do is fill out their email address and we're gonna get paid. We do not have to sell any products, we do not have to promote any items, all we gotta do is send people here. And we're already giving them that extra incentive because they do actually stand a chance of receiving that giveaway prize. They're not doing it for free. This is just a great position to be in, and I'm gonna show you how you can maximize your profits as well. And here's another great one. Get a PS5 now. Again, this is just a giveaway. The chances of actually receiving that item are close to 0 if you ask me. But we don't really care about it because we're not the ones who are gonna take part in the contest. At a very basic level, this sort of CPA marketing is all about persuading people to enter in their email address through all of these different means. Some of them are quite clickbaity if you ask me, such as this one, grab a $750 PayPal gift card. But at the end of the day, we are not in charge of this. All we gotta do is send people to a website. That's our whole responsibility, so we're gonna deliver. And let me show you how you can do it effectively. Oh, and by the way, there's one more thing we need to understand here. Chances are, as soon as people enter in their email address in that form, they're gonna start receiving a lot of advertising materials. Their inbox will be filled with promotional emails. At the end of the day, that's why we are getting paid. We are providing all of these different advertising networks with potential clients. These are leads, and these leads are invaluable for businesses because moving forward, they can start promoting their services and products. They can start selling to these people, and we're just helping them out. It's a win-win situation, and we're gonna get compensated for our contribution as well. But now let's not get sidetracked here. I want this video to be a step-by-step practical guide. And so instead of focusing on the bigger picture, we're just gonna be focusing on a very clear strategy that we can implement. So let's head back over to the offers section. By the way, when it comes to the country, you have to pick the United States, and then you wanna go for this exact offer right here that pays you $2 for every qualified lead. So let's just copy the link. Next, we want to head over to Google Sites. Believe it or not, Google has actually built software that allows you to create your own website with just a few clicks. You don't need any solid coding skills in order to make this happen. And now we're gonna fully customize it. And this is the most important part. This will be the landing page. You see, if you're just gonna start spamming the internet with this link right here, nobody, meaning nobody, is going to click on it. Or perhaps 1 or 2 people might, but that is not enough. We're just allowing people to slip between the cracks, and that is not ideal. We want to get the maximum conversion rate that's possible. And for that reason, here's what I want you to do. Let's just head over to any article related to the upcoming PS5 games. I know it doesn't make too much sense for now, but it will in a second. And now, I just want you to start taking some screenshots. That's literally all you gotta do. Let's take it one step at a time. I'm just gonna grab my snipping tool and create a new screen capture. So let me just capture this game right here. There you have it. Now you want to get back over to Google Sites and paste that picture. And you want to repeat that process a few more times. You also want to make sure that it actually looks good. Now remember, you're in full control here because at the end of the day, you're the website designer. This is your own website. And by the end of this tutorial, it's also going to be fully functional without you having to pay for any web hosting services. Now when it comes to the title, you can just go for something basic like free PS5 giveaway. But now, here's the important part. We need to add some text related to these pictures right here because at this point, we've just pasted some random pictures and it doesn't make any sense. And again, you want to keep things simple. Here are just a handful of the upcoming PS5 games. That is a catchy line. And here's the second line of text that you want to add. Again, you can play around with the formatting and all of this stuff. I'm not going to waste too much time on it, just to keep things simple and to save you guys some time. You want to go for something like this. Wouldn't you love playing them as soon as they get released? I know I would. And here's the part where we're gonna plug our giveaway. Well, there's this PS5 giveaway I just came across. You may want to take your chances. At this point, the purpose of this website is not necessarily clickbaiting people. What we are doing here is just informing them about this giveaway campaign. If they want to click on that website and actually fill out their email, it is entirely up to them. We're just informing them. And so there's this PS5 giveaway I came across. And this is where we need to add a button and a call to action as well. And when it comes to the link, you guessed it, we need to head back over to CPA grip and copy this one. And let's just paste it. There you have it. And I'm about to illustrate that this website is actually functional. And again, you didn't need any solid coding skills in order to make this happen. And when it comes to your tone, it also has to be really genuine. You're not trying to push people. Again, you're just letting them know about this giveaway that you just came across. And you're not lying, and so you want to go for something very simple. Click here to join for free. But now guys, here's the thing. I could now preview the website, I could click here, and it will take me straight over to that landing page where I can enter in my email address. Whenever you persuade people to do that, you're gonna receive a $2 payout. But here's the thing. Ideally, we are getting hundreds or even thousands of clicks. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. And so we are already getting all of this traffic. Instead of getting paid $2 per user, what about getting paid $6 or $7 or $8 or even $10 for every single lead? We can actually make that happen, but we need to be a little bit more creative. And now you can do something like this. I know that 99% of you will not win it. So I've put together a list of cash giveaways. Take a look. You might be able to buy the PS5 yourself. And guys, this is how you can maximize your profits for every single lead. Instead of just having one call to action and receiving $2 in payouts for every qualified lead, what you can do is increase your profitability. And so you can also add a link for this $750 PayPal gift card, and you can add the link for this $1,000 PayPal gift card, and so on and so forth. You could add 10 different links, as many as you want. All you gotta do is copy the title and use that as a call to action on the button, and then also copy the link. For the sake of time, I'm just gonna insert one button, but of course you can take it one step further and insert as many as you want. And now let me actually publish the website and show you that it genuinely works. All you gotta do is hit the publish button, then add the web address, and that can be something like free PS5 for you. Let's see if that is taken. There you have it. Let's publish it, and we are good to go. We can now view the published site, and this will be functional. There you go. This is what the website looks like, and here are our calls to action. There's this PS5 giveaway, and the cash giveaways, and whenever people click on these links, they will be taken straight over to that landing page. Remember, if they go ahead and enter in their email address without having to purchase any products, that's the most important distinction we need to make, we're gonna receive a $2 payout. Again, they do not have to spend a single penny, which is the best part about this whole process. And this is exactly why it's suitable for complete beginners. You don't necessarily need to persuade people to do something. You're just informing them about this new giveaway that you've just stumbled upon, and with a little bit of creativity, you can create a very efficient funnel. But now the only question left for us to answer is, where are we going to find all of these people that are interested in receiving a PS5 for free? Well, chances are these people are huge gaming enthusiasts. They are passionate about video games, right? Well, in that case, we can head over to mod.us, which is a community of people who are eager to play the newest releases. These are all gaming enthusiasts. And so what you can do is just join conversations. You're gonna redirect people straight over to your Google site that actually looks professional because you've taken the time to do it, and you are good to go. Once you've set it up, all you gotta do is just paste that link every once in a while, join a conversation, engage with people, not just try to push your link. And if you're able to do that consistently, the sky is the limit. As you could see, people are literally redeeming 4, 5, or even 6 figures for bringing new leads. And so there's a lot of cash on the table. And so all you gotta do right now is just give it a try. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.